I will show you that. Let me share my screen. How to install that putty also I will show you. Okay. Just when you go to your C drive, here you can, once you install the putty, this putty will be here. Okay. There is one software called PuttyGen. When you click here, PuttyGen, what is the purpose of PuttyGen? It will convert PAM key to private key. Sorry, this key generator, what we are seeing. If you have PAM key also downloaded, what you have to do? Load that PAM key and generate which key? PPK key. Okay. So that you can help, it will help you to use that particular PAM file as well. Okay. So better I can use create PPK file. Create. I'm creating. Now it is downloaded. See, now it is downloaded. Now I am copying this, going to our desktop, FJ folder. Let me create one folder, AWS. Go inside. I am keeping this file here. Now this PPK file is there, na? Now PPK file is there. So with this PPK file, we are able to do that. Now this part is done. Now what it is asking? Next step, guys. Now next step, key pair is generated. This is the key pair test key. See, now there are my key, test key. These are coming now. Okay, but I will use test key. Now coming to this. Now next is what? Network setting. Whatever default network setting, keep as it is. See, subnet is there. No need to change anything. Allow SSS traffic from anywhere. What is mean by this? Allow SSS traffic. You are connecting. You are going to connect this machine which we are creating right now. From where you are going to connect? From your laptop now. Then what will happen? From your laptop, you are going to send a request now. It is going to enter here. Means you have your IP address. This machine will have its own IP address. From one machine, you are trying to enter into its network. So you are considered as anywhere. Means you are sending a request here from anywhere. So it should accept now. So that's the reason here anywhere is mentioned. When I uncheck, it won't allow. When I am anywhere, whatever I can give custom IP also. For our practice, we are trying to connect this server. Okay, anywhere means it will accept request if we are having that file, PPK file or PM file. Allow HTTP traffic from the internet network, right? This is for web server. Like tomorrow we are developing web application, then we have to use this. Okay, accordingly. Now storage. What is storage here? Your RAM, right? 8 GB something, right? So you have to select this. You can give any value, but whatever default is there, that we have to use. This is volume. This is one more concept, but we are not going to disturb all these things. How many laptop you want? Think. You have 10 people, right? So you can create, you have to buy 10 laptop now. Means 10 machine. So forget about 10 machine. If I will give you 10, so it will create 10 instance. Do we require 10 instance? No. We require only one instance at this moment. So I'm going to use one. Now, see, what is the image I am using? Amazon Linux. Amazon Linux is the operating system. Now, it is a summary. How many instance I want? One instance, mean one machine. What is the Amazon machine image? See, think about jar file, think about image. We have jar file. Now Docker is there. Docker are creating images. Image is similar to that. Don't think much about that. So when I am saying image mean, it is kind of like it is providing that particular software. Okay, so software image. So Amazon Linux 2023. This is the name. Now we have selected instance type T2 micro. This is free tier. What is T2? What is 2? Generation. Micro is the size, right? So this is if I have to work with enterprise application where user are there, there is a one server, then automatically it will create 10 server, 10 instance, 100 instance. Automatically it will reduce to 100 to 10 server. How? How it will be done? By auto scaling. That concept is part of AWS. Now what is here? Firewall. So new security group. Then what is the storage volume? 8 GB. Okay. So what is showing? Read carefully, guys. Free tier. In your first year includes 750 hours of T2 micro. Means you are getting 750 hours for practicing instance uses on free tier AMI per month. For per month, it is giving 750 hours. Okay. 750 hours of public IP address uses per month and 30 GB of EBS storage. This is also EBS is one of the service of AWS. Okay. Like EBS, AMI, EC2, S3. These are basic common services. If you are working as a Java developer also, .NET developer, Python developer, this minimum 10-12 service you should know. Okay. To upgrade your resume, to distinguish yourself with other people on the basis of skills. Okay. Nowadays, these are minimum expectation because tomorrow you have to connect to this kind of server. Okay. So you should know. Now I will launch, right? I can launch. So I'm launching now. Meanwhile, it will launch. It is launch, right? It is launch. It is launch. But before that, let's discuss something about what is what is key pair. What is key pair? Okay. Key pair in AWS EC2. We need to understand this point. What is that? So it will it is kind of public key and private key. It is like public key and private key, right? It is like public and private key. What is mean by public key and private key? We will see slowly. So what happen is public key. You have lock and key at your home, right? So you are unlocking the lock with the key, right? And that key you are having in your home with when you are going outside. What you are doing? You are locking your home, na? But key you are giving to anyone? No, you are keeping the key with you, na? So that someone to avoid this theft. Okay. So what will happen, guys? So public key who will hold? Public key will hold AWS. And private key who will hold? We will hold. And they will handshake with each other. Okay. Then this public key and private key is used to connect EC2 instance. Okay. This public key and private key are used to connect with EC2 instance securely. Okay, these are used to connect these services. Okay, now what will happen? Let's see. Let's say this is your AWS. This is your AWS. You are using Mumbai data region. And this is your laptop. Your laptop. Your laptop. Okay. Where are you? You are sitting somewhere in India. Okay. Now what you did, just now we launched one EC2 instance. Now we have launched successfully initiated launch instance. I will click here. You know right now how to launch it. Now it is loading. Whatever we have created, we are loading it. Now it is running, na? It is running. Means what we did is we have launched one EC2 instance. EC2 instance we have launched. We have launched EC2 instance. Okay. Now we have launched EC2 instance. This is where EC2 instance we have launched. Okay. Now where public key will be there? Public key will be available in here. Public key will be here. Okay. And we are having that private key, na? We are having that private key. Never we have to share private key to anyone. Okay. Now what will happen? Whenever we are sending a request, whenever we are sending a request to connect to this AWS instance, okay, what will happen? This public key will handshake with the private key. Okay, handshake means they will cross check, right? Whether this private key belong to this particular instance or not. Okay, then only it will allow to connect. Okay, so this is the simple thing. So hope you are good. Now what will happen? So after launching EC2, okay, so if our private key is matched, so what will happen? AWS EC2 public key, then connection will establish. Otherwise, what will happen? It won't connect. If public key matches with private key, then connection will be allowed, or else rejected, Hope you are good till this. Okay. Now my EC2 instance is launched. Let me go inside this. It is giving, see, public IP address, instance ID, private IP address, everything is host name. What is the VPC? By default, VPC is created. This is virtual private cloud. This is one of the important service. We need to create virtual private cloud, and subnet is a part of it. These are also services of AWS. So in real-time application, we are not creating this server like this. We are creating virtual private cloud. And then we are configuring subnets, everything. Okay. Here you can see this details, status, alarm, monitoring, security, network, storage, tags, all these things, right? So what happens is now I want to connect. Can I click on connect? I will click here connect. See, there are two options: EC2 instance connect, session manager, SSH client, EC2 serial console. These are the four way to connect. Okay. If I will connect EC2 instance means EC2 instance connect means it will consider me. Who is me? I log in now. It will be connect. I am able to connect from here itself. When I am SSH means I have to connect from putty. Then I have to use this key. Okay. How I can do that? See, I will show you both. Okay. First, let's see. I am connecting through EC2 instance. Okay. Connect using EC2 instance connect means from this account only I am connecting to my EC2 instance, not from outside. Okay. Means what I'm trying to say, I am a user here, and from here inside itself I am trying to connect. So I don't need this key. But when I am outside and I am trying to access this EC2 instance, then I need a key. Hope you are good. Okay. Hope you are good, guys. So now what I'm trying to do, let me connect from here. I'm connecting from my account itself. So it will connect directly because I have logged in as root user now. So it will allow me from my account to my EC2 instance I'm connecting. It is giving me terminal na. It is giving me terminal. So it is the Linux machine, na, establishing connection. It is showing. See, it is connecting. So this is the public IP address and this is a private IP address. See, I am connected. AWS Linux. This is operating system. This is complete machine, right? How we are going here? C drive, D drive, right? I can create new folder, right? What is my present working directory? This is my directory, na? C user HP desktop FJ AWS. When I copy this path, then I will land here, na? This you know, right? You are daily using this. What happened this? We need to understand what we are using, how we are using. Okay. Then this is the machine we have created. So can I check present working directory? This is Linux command we started now slowly. If I will use pwd, we require Linux machine. What is the pwd means? What is pwd means? What is mean by pwd? Pwd means present working directory. Present working directory. How this is your present working directory? This is your directory. You are creating new folder in this directory, right? This is the shortcut, na, in Windows. But here, how we are connecting pwd. So you are under home. And who is the user? EC2 user. So we are good. Now let me cd dot dot. What is mean by cd? Change directory. Now you are under which? Home. Earlier it was this tilde symbol. Now you are under home. Does this command means? CD means change directory. Change directory. Now we are playing with what? Now we are playing with whom? Now we are playing with this our sorry. So we are playing with Linux command now. Now I want to use this na EC2 user. So change directory EC2 hyphen user. Enter. See, now I have again become this user na EC2 user. Again I want to cd dot dot. What will happen? So this is our present directory. Okay. Let me up arrow. One more up arrow. Change directory. Now pwd. Now it is changing, showing home EC2 user, right? Home EC2 user again. Hope you are getting, guys. Okay. Now cd dot dot. Then pwd. When I cd dot dot, I am into home. You will see slowly all the Linux command one by one. But today, hope you are understanding how we are connecting our cloud. Till this you are good, right? Till this you are good. Can I ask who am? Who am I? English word, na? Who am I? It is telling you, you are EC2 user. Who are you? EC2 user. Okay, who I am? It is showing me EC2 user. Okay, now ls. ls means list command. How many folders are there? Any other folders are there? No, ls means list command. How to create a file? Using touch command. Touch file one.txt. File one.txt. If I want to create a file here, how I can create? New text document. File one.txt. Then file is created now in Windows. But how I can create this file in Linux? In this way. What is the command? Touch command. If I touch command, permission denied. Permission denied. So we need to understand how we can use this command. So cd dot dot. Okay, it is changing the directory. Now pwd, present working directory. Okay, so we will see slowly those commands. Okay, one by one. Till today we have seen how we are connecting this AWS service. Okay, EC2 instance. Today we have launched this server, and slowly we will see how to work with Linux command. And before this, we'll show you, like, when I am clicking here. Today I am connecting from here. Tomorrow I will use putty. Tomorrow I will use putty, because putty is in my laptop. Putty is in my laptop. This machine is in AWS. What will happen tomorrow? Tomorrow I will use my laptop to connect this EC2 instance in the cloud. That way we are able to see. Okay, guys. Hope you are good. I will prepare a document and upload there. Okay. So we are able to work on that. Okay. It is not a big deal. You are also able to do that. Okay. So 1 second. I am stopping the recording now.